Top stories. India B clinches champions title of 12th Manipur International Polo Tournament. US Ambassador to India Kenneth Juster, top White House official, arrives at Imphal. And 5 days Raas Leela Festival organized by Manipur Artists Association concludes. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, Haripriya presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. India B, the All Manipur Players team, clinches the champions title of annual Manipur International Polo Tournament, which is held every year in connection with Sangay Festival. The 12th Manipur International Polo Tournament, organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, was concluded at Imphal. India B defeated England by 7-4 in final match of the polo tournament. Addressing the gathering at the closing ceremony as chief guest, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Haptullah said, Manipur, though a relatively small state, is indeed a powerhouse of sports. Sport is the pride of state. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchand, Member of Manipur Legislative Assembly P. Saratchandra, members of Manipur Horse Riding Polo Association and top-ranking officials of the Civil and Police Department also attended the closing ceremony. Talking about the specific event, the governor further maintained that, as it is widely known, the game of polo originated from Manipur and the present-day polo evolved from the traditional Manipuri polo Sagol Kangje. No doubt, Manipur has given polo to the world, and besides encouraging tourism and sport, saving the polo pony is also another objective of organizing Manipur International Polo Tournament. Later, the governor handed over check amount of 1 lakh rupees along with the champions trophy to the India B team, whereas check amount of 50,000 rupees along with the runners-up trophy to the England team.
No doubt, Manipur has given polo to the world, and is having very tourism sport. Playing the polo pony is also another objective of this tournament.
US Ambassador to India Kenneth Juster, a top White House official who has an in-depth India experience, has arrived at Imphal to grace the Manipur International Sangay Festival. Before meeting the Chief Minister in Birin, the ambassador made a courtesy to the Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Haptullah. This is the first US delegate to be invited for the Sangay Festival. He said that he is all excited to be part of Sangay Festival and here to know more about the world of Northeast India, especially Manipur, in order to enhance Indo-US relations.
Well, I'm delighted to be here. This is my first trip to Manipur, and I really want to get to know all of the states in the Northeast better. It's very important that the United States enhance its relationship with this part of India, which is so critical to broader connectivity within South Asia. So I'm looking forward to getting to the Sangay Festival, to seeing all of the traditions and costumes and the cultural aspects of this wonderful state.
He also said that Manipur, being a gateway to India, plays a key role in Act East policy in terms of connectivity with other Southeast Asian countries.
Well, I think it's very important that there be connectivity not only within India, between the main part of India and the Northeast, but also with other countries in Southeast Asia. And as you said, Manipur is an important part in that broader situation. That's why it plays a key role, and I'm delighted to be here again.
Talking to Tom TV News, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said that the Shanghai Festival 2018 is great success as compared to the last year, since delegates from other countries have been invited, which will help the Shanghai Festival more accepted in parts of the world, making the tourism sector of the state more popular.
Well, the Shanghai Festival is a great success this year. I've seen last year also it was good, but this year it is because the Chief Minister has taken a lot of interest and he has invited foreign guests also. Thai princess came, hosted her yesterday for dinner, and there are people coming, the ministers coming from Myanmar, the ambassadors coming, the American ambassador, he just called on me, he is also going to the Shanghai Festival. So these efforts have made the Shanghai Festival more popular and more known. And it is going to help the tourism, because in their countries, people also will come to know that there is some festival like this. There is some state like Manipur which has got such beautiful places, because when they come for the Shanghai Festival, they not only see the festival, will see the state also, and they see the other places like Loktak Lake and Imam Market and all those special things, and our culture.
A 5-day Raas Leela Festival organized by Manipur Artists Association was concluded today with performing Kunja Ras at Guru Aribam Mandap, Brahmapur, Nahabam. Speaking on the occasion, Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar called upon the youths of the state to join hands together to develop Raas Leela. If we know the theme behind the Raas Leela, there will be a peaceful society. Raas Leela is an important part of Manipuri culture. Raas Leela has made Manipur to acquire a distinct place in the world. In his speech, Director of Art and Culture Aribam Sivada Sarma appealed to the people to keep the originality of any part form of the state.
The Artists Association, National,
The Raas Leela Festival was held in an attempt to exhibit the famous Manipuri classical dance with Sankirtana to the visitors of Manipur Shanghai Festival 2018. MLA of Yai School Assembly Constituency T.H. Satyabrata and Director of Jain Manipur Dance Academy L. Upendro also attended the function. Deputy Superintendent of Excise Department L. Raghu said that the government must fill in the required posts for the department, as there are only 380 personnel in the department and 72 of them will retire on February.
Employment staff Trangwa Legadubaji, staff Ayaman, Nipan, Mapan, Gataru, Katari, Kaswai, the high, the Galera, Panatuna, Akoina, Kaino Anishi, station Manang Pachingi, Punjala, Hoi walk to Minabane, Ohumbo, Romer, Hoi Kunchache, Kunsuna, collector, Maduga Wapati, or Juicy, Mayunari, I don't know, Puchen Char, Bishino, Sina, Karba, not a Nisha, not a Karba, Karba, Pitana. Maribang nungsiba, Machimana nungsiba, Kanbi Waibashi, Apin Togeningi, Maramdi, Ekoi Sana, Gan Taminadragadi, Machi Chocolate Loan the Poropote Yam Wagani, and Karapato de Sidia, only Panchado in Yai, Sana Chado in Equino Toticha, Shen Kayung the Aizati, Zumutat Pohunute, Hibase, I Kalaningi.
Now let's have a short break. We'll bring with you with more news, so stay with us. Welcome back. Reports of killing of livestock by an unknown creatures are increasing day by day. 3 pigs were also slaughtered at Tekcham under Khongjom police station. Talking to media person on the sideline of concluding function of Raas Leela, Forest and Environment Minister D.H. Shyamkumar said, expert from the center will setting up a trap with prey for the predator.
This is Manipur the Paki machine them the detector Sazi, Ermakangi Sano of those who are Pena Kangam. But the book, when I'm seeing the Peno, Sibet, Tiger, Kajing Langumba, Masasi Makadi, Manipuki, Zagazagada, Yaman Lorota, the Key, Sekor Makaleb, the Key, Penami, Pavagi, Har Hadrid of Halazamana Popidaba, the wild life actor key with the gay. Later we get my total different places with Panga, wildlife India the Paudu Pira. I don't hide Makani, Sargent, the current Makani Sargent, High Sargent Saribra. The no Saribra, the Magi style was in Mundang, Manipur Georgian Guardian, Mundang, which is like experimental. The labor the Samakale, the Pena, Yanganoji, Michel Laganda, we must Magi, it is signed. I invite to do it. Not a bit of way, to the Zagada Kojipena, created by Mena, task force Yamakanda. I but Yanganoji Tamatamato and a play come to the whole. You Bogidi cannot say, get the hang of it. Hariba, it is Seme, Karambasana, Halibano, which I don't have the subsabado way. Around Hagan within 2 days of finding out on I do see animal channel and the expert meeting up. Karamba, Sanas among the Sagi Habado, other Mapusi finding out the wheel. I do see come to now, will get soon that report.
A man was killed by a tractor in a paddy field at Salam Maninglekai under Pasoi police station last evening. The man has been identified as Yumnam Risi, 43, son of El Yumnam Iboton of Salam Maninglekai. A case has been registered by the police. The body was taken to the Rim Smoke. In another case, a person was killed and another injured at a road accident at National Highway 102 under Kakching police station after a motorbike slammed a DI Tata Park at the roadside at around 6 p.m. The dead body has been identified as K. Samananda, 24, son of K. Kogen, and the injured person is an IRB personnel from Chandel. Towards Tomorrow, Manipur, in collaboration with Association of Voluntary Blood Donors and Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS, organized a blood donation camp at Manipur Trade and Expo Auditorium at Lamboy Khongnangkhong. As a part of the ongoing Sangai Festival, more than 100 people donated blood at the camp. Speaking at the camp, Associate Professor Ras Kumari Babita said that it is very encouraging to organize a scheme which will have many people in the times of emergency, and we should all cultivate the habit to donate blood.
Tola taraba tektana ꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡꯛꯇ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯃꯥꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
Chanura Microfinance Manipur introduced micro-enterprise loan at Manipur Press Club today. Ex-chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. C.H. Jamini, chairperson of Chanura Microfinance Manipur, and Harimati and founder secretary, chief executive officer P.K. Khuman presided over the event. Now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Director of Veterinary Department Dr. Chauba Hauvism has informed the poultry farmers to be careful, advising them to keep livestock in well-lit area, and he informed that the Veterinary Department is also taking up precautionary measures. In an exclusive meeting with reporters of Tom TV at Animal Husbandry Office, Sanjentong, Director Dr. Chauba said that many domesticated animals and birds are being slaughtered in a gruesome manner by some unknown creatures in Churachandpur, Malum, Changangi, Pasikong, and Kakching. According to the post-mortem report of Churachandpur incident, tooth mark has been found on the remains of the slaughtered animals, and there was no sign of any illness on the dead bodies of the livestock. Meanwhile, a vigilance team formed by the DC of Churachandpur is investigating the matter. According to experts, the mysterious creatures could also be jackal, fox, or kajenglang. It's also important to take into account that if these animals are slaughtered due to ecological imbalance in the food chain system, he also appealed the public to help the concerned department in investigating the matter.
Khangaga public ta kiriba nuaitaba leirisima koi integrated approach sama concerned department sing forest and the police ki side koi ki side tongan ba civil society the people for animal atei kanu sida thawak tawriba mayam si tanaraga msi ama koi thidokpa ma sangi thidoi mayam su tawnari tawbudi adama sida akoi gi side tagi di koi farmer sing khara moi loss khara leijari ba kambusi koi gi scheme da yamna chawbudi natraga su koi beneficiary sing khalakpada koi December tha manung da koina khara beneficiary khara khanjaga da balai wokine ri ne hameng ne aduga nganu gi kitang tamna keno tongni masida su ngasai gi keno sing si farmer sing keno sing se koi adum hapsage koi gi koi side gi kitang.
The director further stated that these incidents are inflicting the economy of the affected livestock owners. Hence, the department is going to support them under a beneficiary scheme, which is starting from December. He also expressed his fear of threat on humans as well and cautioned the public to stay alert from the mysterious nocturnal creatures.
Ki gan gadobani khara amambadana moina khara hena nuai gadabani moisu kirini mi pong amama kanu tawse aduna koi hoji si masigi incident se thokpani na farmer sing sau sing loibiri ba war mapang sing na kitang section na mai jaga du section na senabi ba lady hui nung kai ke ama leiraga su punjilaga thambida thadooga kano tongnanaba sangnanaba khonanaba kai khara su siksin tawrang ka su khitang lokhat pi ya yarga di mai singa ngana than bi ba kano yengo na tro kon khar lapna kano to bo erga di lapna lebo erga su mai dang mai di khara ngana than bi yon koina sum haijeningi kharumba kudong sab leiraga di.
Manipur is endowed with breathtaking scenic natural beauty which is yet to be discovered. However, the state government fails to develop these beautiful places as tourist spot. Chiang Dai village is one of them.
Chiang Dai, Akhui, is a scenic village located at the hill district of Tamenglong, Manipur, at an altitude of 160 msl, 50 meters higher than the Barak River. The villagers believed on the saying, cleanliness is next to godliness, and received the Cleanest Village Award consecutively in 2016-2017 from the Tamenglong District Administration. Promoting tourism and attracting the tourists is the main agenda of the village administration, says Village Secretary Kiuluang Kamay.
Kanogi tourism gi promote tawning ba akoi praja miyambu awareness khara piraga sumaina na luna sumaina lairaga akoi hingdabani haibasu laye adu mi atopadasu akoi attraction pinaba sumaina akoi kamaina akoi tourism gi promote tawse tawgadage haibado akoi miyambu khanghallaga akoi chahi manga truk haibatare adu akoi honaraga adum lakzaribani adu akoi gi pangal laubase haubasu akoi world environment day haina chakiba 2016-17 aduwaida consecutively akoi Tamenglong district ki oina akoi khunsi anirak sura first now yamna lunan bada akoi most cleanliness village hagi haibagi award se anirak adum phangi consecutively 2016-17 da adugdagi akoi pangal lauraga sumaina tawdabni sumaina akoi kamaina honasi honage aduga akoina honaraga akoina tawbasi miyamda kamaina tourism se promote tawgadage haibasu rainforest club na akoi da pengan pibagi adum lakpani.
Talking to the Tom TV News, he also said, since the village is surrounded by beautiful tourist spots of Tamenglong like Zailat Lake, Barak Waterfall, Taron Cave and Buning Meadow, tourists can lodge at the Chiang Dai village on their visit to those tourist spots. He also seek the assistance from Tourism Department and state government to improve tourism in the village so that unemployed youth of the village and states can be given a job while boosting up the aspect of tourism in the state. We are here in a place called Chiang Dai, a very sport called the Rengan, which is given by the indigenous people of the very village. Chiang Dai is a very well-known place where an inter-junction for the tourist spots located here, very nearby. And the two tourist spots are namely the Barak Waterfall and the Makway Jailat. Besides that, Chiang Dai is a very common place where travelers and people from all over different states of Manipur, including Assam and Nagaland, can come and enjoy the tourist. There is a very beautiful place called the Buning Meadow, which is very nearby from this very place also. And if the concerned person along with the tourism department can look into the promotion of tourists, then the revenue generation and the income generation for the particular villages in particular and for the whole state in Manipur, the income generation can be made very largely from this tourist spot. Blessing Yang, my reporter, with the camera person, Gobin, Tom TV News, Chiang Dai, Tamenglong.
Minister of Art and Culture L. Jayantokumar announced names of the winners of the 11th State Film Award today. The minister was addressing a press conference held at his office chamber at the Secretariat. The Lifetime Achievement Award for this year will be conferred on Kangabam Tomba, the acting legend of Manipur. Winners in several other categories include Inakta Lairingai in Best Feature Film, Manoranjan Longjam In Best Director for the film Inak Talaringai, R.K. Somarendra and Soma Laishram. In Best Actor and Actress, both for the same film, Tonthoi Lesangthem in Special Jury Award for the film Iche Tampa, etc. As a part of the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, Nungsi Leko San of Lane, a fashion event organized by Aruna Creative Art, which is sponsored by Department of Sericulture, Government of Manipur, was held at Trade and Exhibition Center, Lamboy Kongnangkong yesterday. Many popular actors and actresses of Manipur film industry took part in the fashion parade. Director of the Academy and a well-known fashion designer, Aruna Piari Salam, said that the economy of Manipur will only progress when indigenous silk items, textile and weaving are sufficiently exported in the global market.
Nungsi lekol ki thim masi akhoi gi nungsi bi lekol are base send of land harise akhoi gi Manipur si buni Manipur si makhal makha kaya gi Hazaraba mioi jati kaya no khundaba lamni asumana nusiraba lekon gumnaba khogi Manipur se masi patam kuirabagi tungda warurabagi tungda haji akoi jakhotbagi lamjel da sangasi loina na lekol sigi lerang hairang bori basi hagulali baju singje sini nupi khunai ni aduga akoi maru oina Manipur da sendong lambi wanganji haiba taragadi Manipur gi muga singase maru oina sericulture gi muga singase asibu jokoina globally market ono khonadana garment mem tro honaraga akoi iram da masi business development se masi puraksi let us empower youths, let us empower women weavers, and let us empower sericulture 6 for global marketing and business development of Manipur. This is my message to the tonight's fashion parade Nusivilaikol.
As part of the event, various rock bands, including one of the oldest rock band, Witnit, featuring Mandira Das and other renowned artists, including John Oinam, and music director cum singer Poiri, also performed various numbers. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express, Forest Department on full alert to catch predators, BFA for restraint, rehab policy for victims of excesses needed, KEM. Intrusion at Howland 5, UCM points finger at center, nearly 75% falling in Mizoram. The People's Chronicle, Minister allays fear, predator mystery deepens, Congress petitions Speaker to disqualify 5 MLAs. Thailand Princess visits Kangla, meets titular King of Manipur. Worried UCM 6, formation of Boundary Commission. The Morning Bell, mysterious animal killer back. Animal in Kakching, KPI found dead in strange ways. Government coy on Kishore Chandra confinement. Wife solicits public support. Exotic birds sold at Sangai Festival. Imphal Free Press. Manipur has good potential for food processing. Governor. Disqualification cases filed against 5 more turncoat Congress MLAs. Reason for scribe's arrest not disclosed, but NSA suspected. Manipur Mail. Thailand princess visits Kangla, Loktak. Don't panic over livestock killing, Shyam Kumar. Ratan Thiam stretches on the need to improve Manipuri literature.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. India B clinches champions title of the 12th Manipur International Polo Tournament. US Ambassador to India Kenneth Juster, top White House official, arrives at Imphal. And 5 days Raas Leela Festival organized by Manipur Artists Association concludes. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.